Hello, the date is March 20th, 2020. My name is Sharon Brown. I am one of the design teachers at Somersfield Academy for the MYP program. In the design class this year, throughout the year, we've been introducing ICT tools, technology tools and platforms to support our students' learning. And we've been refreshing our students' expertise and skills of these tools along the way in the last few weeks in order to prepare ourselves for the eventuality of online continuous learning. As you see in front of me, I have ManageBack up. ManageBack will remain our primary hub for teachers to set assignments and for students to upload summative assessments that are set out by the teacher. So please look to this first. It's going to remain our primary hub. ManageBack is wonderful. We've been using it for a while now, but some of the features that it lacks actually is the ability for students to collaborate together and to communicate more directly with their teacher. So we have turned to Microsoft Teams for that. Microsoft Teams is part of the Office 365 overall suite of applications. So we have been looking into this for the last couple of weeks, and most of the students have been introduced to it in some way. And many, if not most of them, have actually been using them during our soft launch the last few days. We learned a lot, and we're going to share just a couple of things about Microsoft Teams for the parents to understand a little bit better about it. First of all, finding Microsoft Teams is look for this grid somewhere where in your child's Outlook email or online version, please, or in OneDrive. You do need to be using the online version. You cannot find this in the downloaded installation of Outlook. Then you'll find Teams right there. Many of you have noticed a prompt to download it and install it on your laptop. We do encourage that. And you can see I've got it up right here. Microsoft Teams is also available as a mobile app for iPads, tablets, and mobile devices. So please be aware of that if you want that additional convenience of having that ability to reach for it there. Here we see all the classes that have been set up. Along the way, I myself have been added to every one of the classes for the MYP program, and Mr. Judd has been added to all the classes as well, so that we have a presence there. Learning support for your child has also been added, and the appropriate person has been added for that area of learning support. So when we open up the class, we see several channels there. These are called channels on the left-hand side. They are created by the teacher to promote discussion, to promote sharing of information, to promote collaboration. And the topmost one here in general, that is where you're going to find the assignments in the upper tab up here. Now we are encouraging teachers, as they feel comfortable, to duplicate the assignments and put them into this area as well as ManageBack, but primary hub, once again, is ManageBack. So when you do get to assignments here, I'll just show you what this looks like in a feature that's available for students. If we just click on a particular assignment, I'm going to go quickly to the student view. And this is what your child will see. Now, an additional feature to this is right here in the top right-hand corner. For those students who may need additional support for understanding, there is Microsoft's Immersive Reader built into it. And I know many of if not all of the students are aware of the capabilities of Immersive Reader and have been shown how to use it. So I do encourage you to check that out and to use that feature if that's going to help your child with understanding the assignment there. By and large, most assignments, summative assessments, again, will be posted back into ManageBack, so we won't be using the grades feature, just to make ourselves clear about that. We've also found that the video and Zoom features in Microsoft Teams is still a little flaky, so we're going to use Zoom as a video conference platform for live interaction outside of Microsoft Teams. And your child will be sent along invitations to those at the appropriate times. So as you can see, we still have lots of learning to do together about how to use these various tools and platforms to promote and continue our students' education. We thank you for your patience along the way. And if you need to contact us or reach out, you can certainly email us. Please make your children's teachers, the primary class teacher is the primary person to reach out to first for any kind of elaboration on expectations. And thank you for your time, and be well, be safe.